Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to know the Python version that we are using currently on our system. To know that, we have three ways. Among those two ways are using the Python code, using the built-in modules in Python, and then the third one is the common method, that is using the terminal or the command line. So let us start. Here I have opened the Visual Studio Code to write my Python code. The first method to know the Python version is to import the sys built-in module of Python. So I'm going to import sys. Normally this sys is a built-in module of Python that which is used to access or to manipulate the Python runtime environment. So after importing this sys, we will just print sys dot version, so that sys will return the version of the Python that we are using currently. So let me run the code. So here we have gotten the Python version, that is 3.9.0, and we have also gotten some extra information about the version, that is here. Here we can also know some extra information about the version by using the method sys dot version info. So let me run this again. So here we have gotten this. So here major 3, minor 9, micro 0, release level final, and the serial is 0. So this is the first method that we use to get the Python version, and the second method is using the platform module of Python. So let me import this platform. So this platform module is a built-in module of Python, and we use this platform module to get communicated with our OS or the system that we are using. So sys module is at the Python level, that is at the software level that we are using, and this platform module is at the platform level. That platform level means that the system that we are using. So after importing the platform, we will just print platform dot python version. So make sure to add those parentheses. So here we have gotten the Python version. So if we observe the, in case of sys module, we have not used this Python word. That is because that sys is already the module at Python level, but this platform is the module at our system level. So to know which we are talking about, we use this Python word here. So these are the two ways to know the Python version through the Python code. And the third version is using the command line or terminal. So I'm going to open my command line as I'm on Windows or CMD. So after opening the command line, just give the command python hyphen the uppercase V and hit enter. So here we have gotten the Python version, that is 3.9.0. So in case if we want to know some extra information about the Python version, then we can use this command, that is python double V's. So there are two uppercase V's. So here we have gotten some extra information about the Python version, and here instead of using V, we can also use the version command, that is python and then two hyphens and then the version. So here we have also gotten the Python version So these are the three ways that are used to find the Python version that we are using currently on our device. So the information about SYS module and then the platform module are given in the description. And for more videos on Python projects and web development projects, just subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.